Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of too many attempts to try again later on your app. You click on settings. In this page you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above you can search about Uber app and you'll enter. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. After that you will enter to the window of storage. Here you can click clear cache. In the end you can turn off your phone and you can turn on your phone again. So please don't forget to support us, bell icon and subscribe. See you